Finding Dory. Characters and voice cast with fun facts. Dory, Ellen DeGeneres. Species, regal blue tang. Fun fact, Dory suffers from short-term memory loss but can speak whale. Ellen DeGeneres campaigned for a sequel for years on her talk show before it was finally made. Marlin, Albert Brooks. Species, clownfish. Fun fact, Marlin is Nemo's overprotective father. In real life, clownfish have a symbiotic relationship with anemones, which protect them from predators. Hank, Ed O'Neill. Species, East Pacific red octopus, though he is a Septopus because he lost a tentacle. Fun fact, Hank is a master of disguise. It took Pixar animators over a year just to perfect his movements and camouflage abilities. Destiny, Kaitlin Olson. Species, whale shark. Fun fact, despite being called a shark, Destiny is actually a whale shark, which is the largest fish in the sea. She is also Dory's childhood pike pal. Nemo, Hayden Rollins. Species, clownfish. Fun fact, in this sequel, Nemo was voiced by Hayden Rollins because the original voice actor from Finding Nemo had grown up and his voice had changed. Bailey, Ty Burrell. Species, beluga whale. Fun fact, Bailey believes his echolocation is broken, but he eventually uses it to help Dory. Belugas are often called canaries of the sea because of their high-pitched whistles. Jenny, Diane Keaton, and Charlie, Eugene Levy. Species, regal blue tangs. Fun fact, they are Dory's loving parents. They spent years laying out shells in the sand to help Dory find her way back home. Baby Dory, Sloan Murray. Species, regal blue tang, fry/juvenile. Fun fact, Baby Dory became an instant internet sensation for her big eyes and adorable voice, which was provided by the director's daughter. Fluke, Idris Elba. Species, California sea lion. Fun fact, Fluke is one of the lazy sea lions often seen napping on a rock outside the Marine Life Institute. He is very protective of his favorite sleeping spot. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.